Enjoying the views. Almost 400 hours WH. Wag mahalin ang China kasi fake food product. Dapat magmahalan tayo ang Hilita eh. Okay, bye for now, friend. Thank you, bye for now, friend. The Fish Keeper. So take a year. Maybe take a year or they could skibby. Hold on. Okay, he hold on and hold it. I found someone your high to drinks a lot of Jason. You're there? In Fish Keeper? I was there early in the morning. We're having a chit chat. I'm just showing the view, going around, walking around. Time Grace. Hello. Thank you, Time Grace. 10th like. Thank you so much, Time Grace. Bayang Hilita, Sunanan, Jigs, TV. There are lots of people taking pictures here. People. Ganda dyan. Opo, Time Grace. He comes to Myron sometimes. Yes, Jason, Myron, Todd, and who else? 801 Outlaw. Yeah, they are my friends. Look at the view. Enjoy the view. Covering the view. Si Gracia ba to o si Tom? You see it one next time, ask him why we don't want to be for his daddy. Why? Why, Ten Fish Keeper? Why? Why it should be? Hey, I thought you will sleep now, Ten Fish Keeper. Bye, Brandon. Good night. Sure, I will ask 801 if I remember. If I don't remember, walay. No, walaway. Anong laway ba, Jigs? Uy, he will get a kick out of it all. Goes to sleep. Okay, it's very late there. Language keeper, you need to sleep now. Very late. Sleep, good. You don't remember well. Lol. Now I remember you, remember well, remember us. Jigs. Huwag kang tumawa ng Jigs. Naglaw. Yeah. Snore good. Ten Fish Keeper. Snore good. Three million people. Thank you so much. I will end my live very soon. So my battery is almost drained now. Almost drained already. Ma, kung ano na mo shades, kita ba ka? Klaro na?
Klaro ada. Mag-break ka. Buta na yan.
Oh, buta na eh. Wait, they're taking pictures. Yeah. Whoosh. Ready, get set, go. Smile, 1, 2, 3, smile. Uy, Jigs, ano ka man ng manlungga, nagharos ka man, bakit? Huwag ka na magtambay-tambay dito eh, walang kabuluhan mo itong live ko eh. Uy, Jigs.